Massage gun body, overheating, automatically shut down. How to fix. 1. Excessive, continuous use time. Common causes. Exceeding the rated continuous working time of the product. The motor runs at high speed continuously and generates a lot of heat, triggering the overheat protection mechanism. Solutions. Do not use it for more than the rated time at a time, usually 10 to 15 minutes. For long time massage, operate in multiple times with an interval of 10 to 15 minutes for heat dissipation each time. 2. Blocked heat dissipation vents. Common causes. The heat dissipation holes of the fuselage are blocked by dust, hair, or fabrics, so heat cannot be dissipated normally. Solutions. Regularly clean dust and debris at the heat dissipation holes with a soft brush or hair dryer at cold air setting to keep ventilation smooth. 3. Battery aging. Common causes. The performance of the built-in lithium battery declines. The internal resistance increases during discharge, and additional heat is generated. Solutions. If the battery has been used for more than 2 to 3 years or the battery life is significantly shortened, contact after-sales service to replace the original battery. 4. High ambient temperature. Common causes. Using in high-temperature environments such as outdoor, in summer, direct sunlight, the heat dissipation efficiency of the fuselage drops sharply. Solutions. Avoid using in an environment with a temperature exceeding 40 摄氏度 and store it in a cool and dry place. 5. Motor malfunction. Common causes. Short circuit of motor coil or wear of bearing leads to abnormal operation and sharp temperature rise. Solutions. If the fuselage still shuts down due to overheating frequently after eliminating the above factors, stop using it and contact professional after-sales service to inspect the motor. Do not disassemble it by yourself.